Hello, and in this tutorial I'll show you how you can check for files and directories using Python. As you write more advanced desktop apps, you will probably find that you need to check at some point if a file or directory exists. It's very easy to do this. At the top of the program, you just need to import OS. The OS library provides numerous very useful features, and it's part of the standard library. Now there are two functions, os.path.isFile and os.path.isDir. I've now created a file in the same directory as this program named file.txt. Now let's check for it. And now I can do if os.path.isFile. Then we'll print the file exists. And if it doesn't exist, we'll say the file does not exist. So now back here on the terminal, I'll go run the program. The file exists because, remember, I created it. I created file.txt. Now, if I delete file.txt from my file system, it will say it does not exist. And we can do the same thing for directories. I've now also created another directory called adir. Let's check for that too. Do the same code. Is dir. Okay, so now, in addition to checking for file.txt, it's also looking for the directory adir, which still exists at this point. And it's saying that file.txt doesn't exist because the code's still there, but the directory does exist. But if I now remove adir, it will now say that both the file and the directory do not exist. So now hopefully with these examples, you can now use the os.path.isFile and the os.path.isdir functions in your next project.